In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change cell size in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a detailed spreadsheet, trying to make your data easier to read, or just want your sheets to look more organized, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where you want to adjust the cell sizes. Once you're there, look for the rows or columns you want to resize. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, let's start with rows. Select the rows you want to adjust by clicking and dragging over the row numbers on the left side. Once you've selected them, right-click anywhere on the highlighted area and choose Resize Rows from the menu. A small window will appear where you can type in the desired row height. For example, you can double the current height and then click OK. Instantly, you'll see the row height increase to match your input. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you only select the rows or columns you want to adjust. Take note of your preferred size so all similar rows look consistent, and check that your spreadsheet isn't protected or locked, as this can prevent resizing. Doing this beforehand saves time and avoids unnecessary errors. Once you've resized your rows, you can do the same thing with columns. Select the columns by clicking and dragging over the column letters at the top. Right-click, choose Resize Columns, and enter your desired width, for example, 218 pixels. Click OK, and now your columns have expanded or shrunk perfectly to fit your needs. After that, you should be able to view and edit your spreadsheet much more comfortably without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to adjust a few sample cells first to make sure the sizes work well for your content. This extra step ensures everything stays neat and readable. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change cell sizes in Google Sheets easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with formatting. Why not make someone's day easier?